Hello guys, today I discuss what is the definitions difference between criminal law and civil law. So let's start our topic. In the United States, there are two bodies of law whose purpose is to deter or pushing serious or again to compress the witness of such wrongdoing. Criminal law deals with behavior that is or can be considered as an offense against the public, society, or the state, even is the invalid besim is an invalid explains are word murder, assault, theft, and drunken driving. Civil law deals with behavior that constitutes injury to an individual or other private party such as corporation. Examples are definition including IBL and slender breacher of contract entails risking in injury or death and property damage. Criminal law and civil law differ with respect to law. Cases are intake who may bring pressure or feel shocked. Who cases are detected by a ju- judge or a jury. What kinds of punishment or penalty may be imposed, what standards of proof must be met, and what legal propositions may be available to the defendant. In criminal case of example, only the defendant or a state government, the protection may independent a case. Cases are almost always detected by a jury. Punishment for serious, fairly serious offense sinister of impairment by may also include a fine paid to the government to cease concession. The professions most established the glade it established the glight of the defendant beyond a recipient due and difference are protect against conduct by police or protect the victims. Their constitutional rights, including the right agent against unreasonable charges and sentence further amended, and the right against coupled self incrimination